Hi everyone and welcome back to Code of Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you that how can you add Browsec VPN extension on your Chrome browser. So first of all you have to open your Chrome browser and now type Browsec VPN and just click on Browsec VPN extension. Select the first tab. On this first website you will see the web store of Chrome. Click add to Chrome. Now click on add extension. Now wait until the download has been completed. As you can see that the VPN has been downloaded and it will be automatically shown on the extension. Just click on the extension and here you will see the VPN. Click on Browsec, select, and as you can see when you turn on the VPN you can see the different countries IP address that you can change according to your need and with the different signals. So that was the quick tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.